What's going on, family? It's your man DeAndre Saxon back for another video. Yo, check this out. Yo, in this video we're gonna be going over my brand new apartment I just moved into here in beautiful Dubai. So if you saw yesterday's video, you saw I booked a one-way flight to Dubai and I decided I'm going to be staying out here. So obviously if we're gonna be coming out here, we gotta get an apartment. Y'all know that I love amenities, so check out this pool. I've been to many cities, as you guys have known, for years. And so whenever you hop into a new city and you don't know anybody, as I did when I first got here, you have to get to know the land. So you either have to do it physically by going out there and experimenting and doing your own research, or what I like to do is I like to go to hostels. I haven't been in a hostel in a few years, but when I first arrived, I actually went to a hostel. I only booked for 2 nights. For a couple of reasons. The first one is it was easier to find, and number two, and the biggest reason, is that usually when you go to a hostel, they do the work for you. They tell you the best restaurants, the best locations, the best places to go out, and all these kind of things. So when I first arrived here, I went to a hostel, and they allowed me to get a lay of the land. Like, for example, right now I'm in Business Bay. I'll be showing you guys a tour here. But anyway, so I started at the hostel, and then I was like, okay, let's find the place that we are going to call home for the next several months. So what we did is we came out here. I originally found this on Airbnb, and for some reason it wasn't working. And so I was like, you know what, let me come manually to the you know, physically over here to the location. And then look at what I ran into. Look at this freaking view. So when I arrived here about 2 days ago, I just moved in now about 2 days ago. When I got here, there was like a wellness event, and guys, let me tell you this. Yo, there was some beautiful people here. Let's just keep it at that. Y'all know what I'm talking about. There were some beautiful people out here doing yoga events and everything, but the quality of the people, the energy they were doing, it was an event about wellness. It was like yoga, mindset, ice baths, all these kind of things. So immediately, as soon as I walk in the building, it's as if I attracted this people and I attracted the event. And then I came out here to the business section. Like right now we're in the pool section. It was just amazing. But that's enough story time. Let's get into actually looking at the unit itself. So right now we're on the 3rd floor of the building. I'm not going to show you reception. It's not that exciting, but it's a few floors below. But as you saw when we walk in, you have this beautiful pool. Guys, if you're going to come to Dubai and you're going to be making content, you got to make sure you have a beautiful pool to work with. Come on. So I love this style here. It reminds me of a lot of when I was living in Miami at the Paramount. So we have the little micro cabana things here, but then we got the full ones right there. So if you want to post up, no reservation needed. There ain't no cocktail servers walking around. You just need to post up, chill here. You want to get some work done, because in the daytime it gets a little hot. So I'm making this video a little bit earlier in the day because it gets packed. Right now it's early for most people. It's like 7 a.m. I've been up since 6. I think it's like 7:30. So most people don't really get down here, I noticed, until about 10 in the morning. So I'm making this before everybody gets out. So we got the pools here, right? We got the more cabanas over there, and we're gonna get to that view here in a second. But look at the style, the design. Right, nice little shower there. We're gonna come over here now and look at this view, guys. Come on. In a moment I'll show you guys the view from my balcony. But look at that. I'm like walking backwards, so come on. Yo, tell me that if you're not trying to make content right now, that is not the best view for you. You're just chilling here, you're making content, I'm making content. You guys are watching my video right now. I can't even stop smiling. Come on. Absolutely beautiful, right? Now, obviously there's some better locations, better hotels, better views, but I don't care, because this is my life and I elevated so high that I am vibrating on a whole new frequency right now. Can you feel it? Can you feel it or what? All right, so that's enough from down here. So well, anyway, so when they were doing the event was all here. There was girls everywhere just doing yoga stuff. That's all I can say. Looks like we have another little section over here. But anyways, one of the bigger reasons also that I came here was the working section, because I need a place to work. And so let's go inside. I'll show you some of the cool things that's going on in there. I'm completely sold when I came inside this co-working section, right? So I would say this is the main floor. Because we have the gym. I'll show you the gym in a second. This is the main floor outside, because obviously we got the pool. I just showed you that. But when we walk in here, man, the design language is absolutely beautiful. I love open floor plans. I love spaces where there's multiple places of sitting, the architecture, the materials. They did a lot of good work here. So this is one of the sections here, and this is the vibes I'm getting. Like, I'm not a freaking interior designer. I don't know what you call this, but it looks nice, right? So we got this kind of section, but each section that you go into is completely different from the last one. So here's the other side. And one of the most convenient things about this, because right now we're in a place called Business Bay, which is right across from the Burj Khalifa, which you saw earlier. So there's not a lot of restaurants around. The restaurants are in hotels, and as you guys know, restaurants and grocery stores inside of hotels are marked up 20-30%. So one of the things that's cool about this here is that, well, right now it's closed because it's whatever, but it'll be open a little bit later, is a cafe. So it has a cool little cafe in there. They have some good sandwiches, coffee. It's a little bit on the upper side, like $7 or something. This is normal for United States, but anyways, it's cool and convenient to have a coffee shop and a little bit of food right here within my own building, right? Nothing too crazy, sandwiches and stuff like that, little croissants. So we can see this, I guess you say, the dining area here, and then we get into one of the main co-working sections. So like I said, it's like 8 in the morning, but everybody's be sleeping. I'm up and I'm like, where's everybody at? So it's actually cool. I can make this video. I did it purposely, but yo, check that out right there. That looks cool, doesn't it? I love the design language here about what's going on. So first section here, multiple chairs, super comfortable. As you guys probably follow me on Instagram, you saw I was making some content right here. This is a perfect place to make content. You can work. These are great backgrounds for YouTube videos. Right, you can see is a little quadrant here, so very similar all the way around. And then on the other side, we got another little section to sit. Right now, they're still working on this back area here. We're not actually allowed to go out there, but it looks like we're having like a nice sitting area or something. So we got a sitting area, and then there's a racquetball, I believe. Yeah, I think it's racquetball. But anyways, that stuff's under construction. So what I've been told is that this is a new building, like in the last 5 months. So a lot of this stuff is brand new, not even used, and it's really, really cool. And so some of the nearest restaurants and shopping centers are going to be right here across these buildings. So that's the Paramount building and then the SLS. So if you're familiar with Miami, you know the SLS. There's just super luxury buildings. And sure enough, when you walk over there and you see the valet, there's like McLarens, you know, Lamborghini STOs, like crazy ass cars over there. Okay, so now we're on the back end here, and we have like little private offices. We got little bar stools type co-working. And then so you can get a little better look into what it looks like in here. All right. And then we come over here, we got a multi-purpose room. So I don't know how this actually works. We come in here. I don't know how this actually works. See this? So if I can actually use it, but if you continue watching, if I can get in there, I'll start making YouTube videos in there. Because when people start out here, it gets really crowded. There'll be a lot of people, crowded in a good way. Everybody's working, the vibes are out. So that's the first room, and then it looks like we got a second room right here. So great place to throw events, great place to network with people. So whenever you're looking for a building and you're doing the lifestyle design, what I teach, which is you're making money online, you're traveling, you're not on vacation, you're just living your life in a different part of the world. You want to be in a place where you can network with other people, separate where you sleep from where you work, and being in a place like this is absolutely sublime. So let's go take a look at the gym. Oh, look at this, absolutely beautiful. This is going to be the section right in front of the gym. So it looks like they're having another event here. They got some stuff laid out for the day. There's always like little merchants and stuff, but like the vibes are young entrepreneur vibes. Most people look like they're digital nomads and working online. But this is the gaming section. You have like pinball, what do you call it, foosball, all these kind of games. But like I said, it looks like they're having a market or something later today. But here's the gaming section, and then we have the elevators here that will take you to the next spot. So bathrooms are back this way. So let's just take a look at the gym. I don't know if anybody's in there right now, probably. So let's see if we can just sneak in there, and I'll show you guys the gym. Not too many people in here. So here's the gym. Looks nice. So when I first got here, I thought I was gonna have to actually get a gym membership, but I can do everything that I have in my workouts right here in the gym. Let's check this out. Like I said, people working out right now, so I'm not gonna try to like invade their privacy, but I'll give you guys a quick little view of the gym here. You guys can check that out. Alrighty guys, so without further ado, let's head up to my apartment. I'll show you guys the view from my balcony. I absolutely love the apartment. So as soon as I walk in, I got the bathroom on the left. It looks similar to a hotel. I would call this like a hotel / residence. Looks nice. Studio. I believe this is a studio. But check it out. Got the bed, got everything that I need. And as you see, the emphasis on this location is going to be the common area downstairs. It's gonna be the gym, the pool, all that kind of good stuff. I'm paying $3,000 a month, and I had to put a $1,500 deposit just for the month. So $4,500 for 1 month. Some of you might be like, what the heck? Why would he do that for a studio? But I'm in the nice area, nice building, and like I said, what I purchased this for was for the networking and the amenities downstairs. But look at this freaking view. Come on, like, come on. Guys, like, this is a straight view to the Burj Khalifa. Like, it's like almost perfect. By the way, the Burj Khalifa, if you don't know, is the tallest building in the world. So we have these two buildings that literally split, and I have this perfect view of the Burj Khalifa. So honestly, that was the reason I had to get this apartment for you guys. To make content. Come on. Yo, why would you not want to make content in your dream city with that? Like, literally, imagine this. Yo, check this out. I get up out of bed and I look up and I just like look out and I'm like, yo, what the fuck? Every morning I get up, I'm just hyped. Like I said, are there better apartments? Are there better things? Yeah, but I don't care, man. I'm living my life. That's all that matters. And I'm the hypest man right here. And guess what? We are going to acquire more things. We're going to get the Lambos, the penthouses, all this kind of stuff. But it is in this moment that I'm actually one of the happiest man, because of this is the first landing, the first situation where everything comes together. Like, I was one of the happiest men when I got my very first apartment in Miami. Then I got like the best one, lived in the best building, and I was super grateful. But it was the first one that was everything for me, and it's no different here. So this is my very first apartment here in Dubai. And guys, thank you so much for taking along in this. I'm showing you guys around, and I will see you in the next video. We're gonna get into some real content here. See you guys soon.